the rainy season, November 2012. Trip to San Miguel. And this is the bridge being built. Should be ready in February, but sure it won't be ready till April. The bridge is being worked on. It's not ready yet, so we will have to cross the river by foot, and then walk all along the river trail that takes us through the coffee plantation, and then we're going down to the waterfall.
Estar contigo, si tú no estás, es como un castigo que me atormenta, no tengo paz, no vivo. Sé que algún día estaremos juntos, sin miedo a nada, sin ocultar lo nuestro. Caminaremos felices por el mundo y brindaremos en cada encuentro. Como quisiera verte todos los días, como quisiera estar contigo. Si tú no estás, es como un castigo que me atormenta. No tengo paz, no vivo. Sé que algún día estaremos juntos, sin miedo a nada, sin ocultar lo nuestro. Caminaremos felices por el mundo.
All natural coffee. Natural plants. Probably, the trees are probably 100 years old. The small ones here, maybe 10 years old.
Es mi nombre como un gemido, mi amada.
Yeah. So once you get used to walking on these jungle trails, the more you enjoy it. I gotta tell you, the first time I came here was 25 years ago, and I've probably been back 25 times, once a year at least. And to do it, like I say, is delicious. Some of the real beauty lies in the rivers and the waterways. The river here was up, of course, due to the rain, just last week, and it came up to where I'm standing right now. As you can see here, trees in the middle of the river due to the high river crest that floated down the river, and the erosion that's even above where I'm standing right now just gives you an idea of what you can expect when you come out to the jungle for any period of time. You can come out here at 10 o'clock in the morning and not be able to cross this river at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And back to the trail. So here we go. Whoa, whoa. That's what happens.
desde que te conocí ya no me duermo. No hago más que pensar en ti, tú eres mi sueño. La inspiración de muchas canciones.
Hey, you guys are going the wrong way. Did you? You see that my way was easier.
Yeah, this is my brother-in-law Beto that is walking with Maylee and I. He's carrying a burlap bag full of 5-gallon buckets.
Yeah. Oh yeah, coffee's almost in season, huh? So can we cut some? Can we really? All coffee. Oh, Laura's gonna love this. She's gonna show Mike what to expect. Lots of coffee. How many, this is all your coffee, right? So how many hundreds of pounds do you expect to get? It's all the coffee, guys. Look at that. Back to the trail. We're on it. Cuarenta lata. One tree. 40 lata. Whole thing. That's not as much as I thought. That's only like 10 100-pound bags.
Yeah.
No?
No.
Less.
Like 300 pounds.
300 pounds. Not so bad today. What kind of palm tree is this? These big 3 holes here. Panama Rain. So what is that, dates? Oh. Oh. Oh, this is the stuff. Penca.
The waterfall is borders the property of the neighbor. Being that it's rainy season, there is no video going up the hill. Just incredibly slippery. And this is the view from the front porch of the house. And here, I turn the camera directly to the opposite direction. And here is my brother-in-law Beto coming out the front door of the house. That's my nephew Mickey, just coming in from the fields. Once again, the view from the house. This is Mickey and his wife digging out where their house will be. That is their home. He's 25, she's 20. I met him when he was 1 year old. And here we have Letty coming out of her house, which is in sight of my front porch. These are cows across the river, about a mile away from where I am. This is my sister-in-law Maria's, in which her house is up above the in-laws. So all I have to do is step out of my side door. I can look up and actually see this house from that point. Here's Letty washing clothes. From the creek where clothes are washed, if you look straight up, you see Victoria's house, which is next to Maria's, and you look just 60 degrees the opposite direction, you see those chickens. Here's the kitchen. My mother-in-law going in. And that is your tour of the rainy season in San Miguel.